Hey guys, good morning. I am currently heading to a Husqvarna dealership to look at purchasing a new ride. This one's a little unconventional. There's a special project here that I'm trying to see through, and I don't know why I got this idea, but I thought it would be a whole lot of fun to be able to do this. All right, well, that's over with. As you can see, picked up the TC 85. It's in the bed of the truck right now and heading to go grab some lunch with some friends of mine. And we're going to talk about the insanity of wanting to race an 85 in Hare Scrambles. So should be fun. Yeah, picked this thing up in Tampa at Extreme Power Sports, and Hans was awesome. So I called before I showed up to make sure he had what I was looking for, and Hans took good care of me. So if you're ever in the mood to buy a motorcycle and it happens to be something that Hans carries, definitely go see him at Extreme Power Sports in Tampa. So this is going to be exciting. I knew it was a small bike, right? It's not like I had some delusion that a big wheel 85 was going to be close to a full-size bike, but yeah, it's pretty small. It's pretty small, but it's gonna do its job. I have trust in it that it's gonna do its job, and I'm gonna make it do its job. So it's got no choice.